We'll be able to get to an agreement in the conference. I'm very optimistic about it, and we think this will make a big difference in getting our economy moving again. I'm confident this is not only revenue neutral to the government, but actually is very likely to be a revenue producer.
We are in a global competition. We must win that competition, which means that our tax code must be competitive with the rest of the world. When that happens, American companies will churn out more profits, more revenues to the government, and we will be able to deal with our national debt.
But the Joint Committee on Taxation said that even with growth, this bill is going to add $1 trillion to the national debt.
Yeah, there's no doubt that the JCT has been consistently underestimating the activity in our economy because their model is based on a closed economy.
They are wildly pessimistic. Economists across the board believe that we will do much, much better.
Economic growth produces more revenue, and that will help to offset this tax cut and actually lower the debt.
Where's the evidence? Explain to me. Find a study that actually says what you're claiming. It doesn't exist.
We're very close to the finish line. You know, he's wanted a 15% rate from the very beginning. That moved to a 20% rate as part of the discussion. My understanding is that the Senate has a 20% rate now. The House has a 20% rate now. We're happy with both of those numbers. If something small happens in conference that gets us across the finish line, we'll look at it on a case-by-case basis. But I don't think you're seeing any significant change in our position on the corporate taxes.
Is 22% acceptable or not?
Well, everybody's going to have to decide for themselves how they would vote. My preference is 20%. I think we have a very good bill out of the Senate. The House has some components, but I think this is a major step forward for the American public. We're going to get this to the president's desk for his signature before the end of the year.